NASDAQ this week has risen in value, starting here with a small indecision candle, then a small bearish candle body with a wick on the upper side trying to reach higher price levels. Then on a Wednesday forming a bullish engulfing candle reaching 23,623.84 resistance level. From here we can see the price has reached this area of resistance, trying to move even further up, but then the price reverses back down and we can see forming a strong bearish engulfing candle. This bearish engulfing candle has engulfed several candles before that. We can see that several candles body 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost a week, which is a suggestion for the price that the price will drop down. And we can see the price has dropped down, trying to reach this area of support, reaching 22701.53 and stop it right here. Weekly time frame shows us that we have a strong bearish candle. Bearish candle, and it is also a bearish engulfing candle, engulfing this small candle before that, which is indication of the strong bearish momentum from this area of resistance. Monthly time frame has closed and we can see the price has formed a bullish candle. A small bullish candle with a wick on the upper side, small wick on the lower side. But it is a continuation of the several months of the bullish momentum that has started here from April. So we can see how the price has started this year, this week and also this month. In the first one day, the price has returned back down to this area of support 2270.53. Monthly time frame currently shows me a strong bullish momentum. So it is indicating that there is still potentially the price could reach 23,623.84 resistance level and try to move further up. But on the weekly time frame we can see it is strong bearish engulfing candle, suggesting further decline in value, where the stop could be here 22,198, because this is the area where the price has problems reaching higher price levels, but also the price could also stop for as the support. So the weekly time frame shows a bearish engulfing candle, suggesting further decline in value. Daily time frame has stopped right here at the support level 22,701. So we need to see, will the price manage to make a bearish breakout going below, indicating further decline in value, where the price could reach then 22,198.02. Will it happen? Well, we need to watch closely what happens on a Monday when the market opens, and also 4-hour time frame resistance and support levels to see how the price will behave. Will the price manage to go below this area of support, or it will be bouncing and retracing back up, continuing this bullish momentum that we can see has lasted for several months? So for now, for the NASDAQ, I'm waiting outside of the market because we have a daily and also weekly bearish candles, just a further decline in values. So we need to see how the Monday will open, because on a Monday we can also experience some kind of a gap, and we can see that this week the price has opened with a gap where the price has returned back down to close this gap. Will the same happen on a Monday? We need to see and wait. On a Monday we will see how the price behaves and how the Monday will close. So feel free to check the link below in the description. It is a link for the premium analysis group where I share the details with the traders, how the market reacts, and also when there is a bullish or bearish breakouts, or bullish and bearish pin bar, or bearish or bullish engulfing candles suggesting direction on the market. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.